So for breakfast today, I decided I wanted crumble of sorts. So in here I've got 40 grams of oats, half a teaspoon of ginger, 2 packets of butter buds for buttery flavour, and a tablespoon of sukrin gold. So instead of using butter or mashed banana or anything else, or yogurt or milk, which is what I usually go for, today I thought I'd use some apple puree instead of butter. Now I'm quite a lazy cook, so I've just thrown an apple into the oven. As you can see, it's cooked. I'm going to take some of that apple out and rub in my apple sauce. Now it's going on top of these frozen cherries. I've got to tell you, all that's on there is some cinnamon, and it tastes amazing. It would make the most awesome little snack. Some frozen cherries covered with cinnamon, for me, is an absolute dream. So I'm going to crack on and get the apple puree sorted. Tongue-tied. Okay, so I do like to try and use all the nutrients in the fruit that I'm eating. So as you can see, it's not a fine puree, but I think it's a healthier puree. So I've just blitzed the whole apple, the whole thing, to make this apple butter puree I want to use. So just going to take out maybe 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to mix it in there. 1 second, I can't do this one-handed. Okay, so I decided to use the whole apple because I don't want it too dry on the top, and I don't want to add any milk or anything. So this is my butter replacement to make a crumble. Smells lovely, and it tastes really nice as it is, I tell you. I've just tasted it. So I might change dish shape actually, because I think that might be a little big. I haven't decided yet. Oh wow, let's just go for it, shall we? Okay. Okay, so there we go. So I'm just going to use some anise seeds. These here, I got these off Amazon. Been trying to get a bigger pack from somewhere because I use probably a teaspoon a day. I really love them. And I like fennel seeds and almonds. I like things that have lots of intense flavour, and yeah, really give a lovely crunch when they're cooked. So I'm going to finish topping that and then pop it in the oven for about 25 minutes at 180. Okay, so 35 minutes later, excuse the dog barking. Oh no, they're both barking now. That's Luna and Bo, you can hear. Okay, so there's my breakfast with the lovely anise seeds on the top. And that looks really, really sticky and very satisfying. So I'm going to serve that today with some fat-free Greek yogurt, which I absolutely love. So there we go, an alternative way to make a scrummylicious crumble. Yummy. Okay, so I've popped into the dish, and I thought I would show you just how juicy and succulent it is, and how sticky. And I just love sticky puddings. It really has helped me get to grips with my chocolate eating problem of the past and binges, because it's filling, it has the sweet kick that I love. And you know what, I know everyone keeps going on about not having too much sugar, but why should I go without it? Lots of reasons I suppose you can all come up with, but I don't want to. I enjoy my puddings, I enjoy my cakes, I'm healthier than I ever was, and I'm going to continue to eat the sugary fruits and puddings that I love. Gone